Welcome to my crispy, golden, and incredibly delicious Pesto Sun. If you'd like to impress your friends with very little effort, this Pesto Sun is exactly what you need. Kids absolutely love it too, and honestly, it's always a big hit whenever I make it. It looks like something that took a lot of time and skill to create, but the truth is, it's wonderfully simple. But hey, that can stay our little secret. Where I live, puff pastry is only available in rectangular sheets, so I cut out the round shape myself. For the sun, we'll need 2 equally sized circles of puff pastry. And don't worry about the leftover scraps. We'll turn those into something delicious later. Just wait and see. And by the way, I'd really appreciate a quick like if you're enjoying the video. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know if you try the recipe. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of the new recipes I share every week. Next, we'll make the filling, my ruby Rosso pesto with authentic Mediterranean flavors. To start, soak the cashews in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Then drain them and blend them together with the remaining ingredients until smooth. When I'm really short on time, I sometimes use a store-bought pesto. In that case, this Pesto Sun becomes a simple 2-ingredient recipe and is ready for the oven in just a few minutes. But honestly, this homemade Ruby Rosso pesto only takes a little extra time and tastes so much fresher and more flavorful. It's absolutely worth making yourself. Place one of the puff pastry circles onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and spread the Ruby Rosso pesto generously and evenly across the surface. Just make sure to save a few spoonfuls for later. We still have those puff pastry scraps waiting for us. Now place the second pastry circle on top and gently press everything together. In the center, place something round as a guide so you won't cut through the middle section. Before you start cutting, it helps to mark the sections first. How many cuts you make depends on the size of your pastry circle. The larger the circle, the more sections you can create. But honestly, it doesn't matter that much. No matter how many twists you make, every Pesto Sun turns out unique and beautiful in its own way. The only thing that really matters is leaving enough space near the center so the strips don't tear. About 1 centimeter works perfectly. Now simply twist each strip carefully, adjust them if needed, gently press the ends together, and it's ready for the oven. You can also make this sun with green pesto or even a chocolate spread for a sweet version. Different colors and flavors look especially beautiful together on a party table. But what about those leftover pastry scraps? Of course we're not throwing them away. We'll use the exact same idea and turn them into delicious little crescents. Simply roll them up loosely and they're ready to go. While everything is baking, let's prepare a fresh and incredibly quick dip that pairs perfectly with the Pesto Sun. The base is soy yogurt or any yogurt you enjoy. Add the remaining ingredients, give everything a quick mix, and that's it, ready to serve. I hope you enjoy every bite, and I'll see you in the next video.